welcome to the SPCA. This young handsome boy's name is Levi. He's a year-old lab cross. You see him sitting nice and calmly here. If you came up to the shelter, he might be going crazy. He absolutely hates it inside the cages. And he walks really well on a leash until you see another dog, and then he wants to go and greet that. But Levi is very good with other dogs here, actually, for playing with. And he's got a super disposition and will do anything for a treat. Okay, this little girl's name is Echo. She's about 1.5 years, and she is a mixed breed. She's probably got some border collie in her, and maybe a bit of lab, and who knows what else. Anyway, she does have bladder issues, so she needs to go out, get the chance to go out to the bathroom regularly, rather than sort of like being able to hang on all day if somebody was out at work. So she needs a home where there's people around for the most part. She gets on great with other dogs, and she is super friendly. This little sweetheart's name is Lily, and she's a year-old border collie crossed with maybe a lab. And she came off a farm, and but she actually has been fostered for a 1.5 weeks, and she proved to be a great little house dog. She's housebroken and really cute, really loving. She just absolutely adores children and other dogs. She gets so excited when she sees children coming along, and she is so gentle. And she'll stand all of grooming that you want to throw at her, and she doesn't mind having her paws wiped. And she'll just sit for a cuddle, and she'll just gaze into your eyes. And she's a lovely girl, and this is Lily. This little guy's name is Benson, and he is about 6 months old, and he's a shepherd cross. Benson came into the shelter as a stray, and so we don't know too much about him, apart from the fact that he is very young. And you take him out on a leash, and he acts like a little puppy would, all excited to see all the new stuff and everything. So he's a sweet little guy. He gets on great with other dogs. Of course, we're not sure about cats, and he's got lots and lots of energy, so he needs a high energy home. And so this is Benson. This little girl's name is Pepe. She is about 1 year age, and she's a spayed female border collie cross. She is got lots and lots of energy. Being a border collie, she needs to be kept busy, otherwise she'll be really bored. She's bored here at the shelter, so if you come in here, she'll be probably barking like crazy, just because the fact that she is so bored. She doesn't walk too badly actually on a leash, and she's quite nice to take for a walk, really. Yeah, a really high energy home would be best for Pepe here. This unique, handsome looking boy's name is Rusty, and he is a 7-month-old Catahoula crossed with probably a shepherd. If you want to know what type of dog a Catahoula is, then check it on the website to see if it's a good match for you with energy and everything else that goes along with temperament for him. He's a lovely dog that gets on great with other dogs, and we're not sure about cats. He listens really well. He does like to jump up at you, but he does stop. He wants to jump up at you because he wants to put his arms around you and give you a cuddle. He does a lovely sit and shake a paw. We do put a harness on him when he goes out for a walk, just because sometimes he does want to pull at something that he sees, but apart from that, he walks pretty good, pretty well. This is Aubrey, and she's a domestic short-haired calico cat. And she's female spayed, and she's about 1 year old. Poor old Aubrey was abandoned. She's very friendly. She will come to you for a cuddle, or as often as you'll give her one. She loves to play with water and she's good with the other cats. She can be a cheeky little girl. This is Mona. She's been here for a long time, unfortunately. She's 2.5 years old and she's a spayed female, domestic short-haired. She likes other cats and she needs regular grooming. Very mellow girl, but likes to play sometimes. She's a lovely girl, likes to hide under the blankets.